Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. This is an essential security measure that helps protect your personal information and ensures that only your trusted devices have access to your account. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser on your computer or laptop. Once it's open, navigate to www.google.com in the address bar. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Gmail credentials to access your account. Make sure you're using the account you want to manage, as this is where we'll be reviewing all connected devices. After signing in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This circular icon typically displays your profile picture or the first letter of your name. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several account options. From this menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your account's central hub where you can control various settings and security features. Once you're in your Google account dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find a navigation menu. Click on Security. This section is crucial as it contains all the tools you need to monitor and protect your account from unauthorized access. It's where Google centralizes all security-related features for easy management. Now, scroll down through the security page until you locate the section labeled Your Devices. This area shows every device that's currently signed into your Google account. Click on Manage All Devices to see the complete list. You'll be presented with a detailed view of all devices, including their names, locations, and last activity dates. Carefully review this list and check for any unrecognized devices. These might be old phones you no longer use, shared computers you forgot to sign out of, or potentially unauthorized access points. When you spot a device you don't recognize or no longer want connected to your account, click on it. This will open up more details about that specific device. Finally, click the Sign Out button. This immediately removes your Gmail account from that device, cutting off its access to your emails, documents, and other Google services. The device owner will need your password to sign back in, ensuring your account remains secure. Thanks for watching.